Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Cooler Master Real Power 550 watt power supply. Included in this package is a 24 to 20 pin adapter, a power cable, a user's manual, and a total power consumption display. This display shows real-time power in an analog format at the front. Now the front on this is black, but this faceplate can be removed and they include a silver one, so you can match the front of this to your particular case color. Also included are a number of screws for mounting this display in your case's 3.5-inch drive bay and screws for mounting the power supply in the case. This particular product has a continuous wattage of 550 and a peak wattage of 650, which will easily power today's latest computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially two different rails, the 3.3/5 volt and the 12 volt. In this particular case, the approximate peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 190 watts and the 12 volt is 360 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. Now, the 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVD, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some may be interested to know the amps on each rail. The plus 3.3 volt is 20 amps, and the plus 5 volt is 25 amps. And this particular power supply has 3 plus 12 volt rails. Normally, it would only have one. 3 of these total 30 amps. 2 are 12 amps and 1 is 6 amps. At the back of the power supply there are lots of ventilation holes, a power cable connection, and an on-off switch. Also at the bottom there's a very quiet, large 120mm blue LED fan. This product has plenty of leads, but the only one that's sleeved is the main 24-pin connection. There's also an 8-pin, a 4-pin, and a 6-pin motherboard lead. Also a 6-pin lead 4 connecting to a PCI Express video card. There's 1 floppy, 6 standard 4-pin MUX connectors, and each one of these has an easy grip connector, 3 serial ATA, and 1 lead which goes into that total power consumption display. Now let's get back to this analog wattage readout. Again, this gets installed in an external 3.5-inch drive bay. And I want to show you this as the system powers up, as it's being used, and as it shuts down. First of all, have a look at the readout as I power the system on. Right now I have a Doom 3 time demo running. You can see how it's fluctuating. And have a look as I power the system off. And finally, have a look and listen to this power supply. This product offers quality power, has lots of leads, it looks great, is quiet, and even comes with a total power consumption display. Overall, this product is kick-ass. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop onto my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until next time, take care.